Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the impact of AI on various industries and whether it spells the death of certain industries. The rise of AI and language models like ChatGPT have brought about a paradigm shift in how we view automation and technology. ChatGPT, for instance, is capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives, making it ideal for tasks like customer service, content creation, and more. As AI continues to evolve and improve, many experts predict that it will bring about the death of certain industries as we know them. For example, the customer service industry could see a major overhaul as more and more companies adopt AI-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries. Similarly, the content creation industry could also see significant changes, with AI-powered tools making it easier for businesses to produce high-quality content at scale. However, it's important to note that AI will not completely replace humans in these industries. Instead, it will augment and enhance the work that people do, freeing up time and resources to focus on more complex tasks. AI and the job market. The rise of AI and automation has led to concerns about job displacement, but it's also creating new job opportunities in fields such as data science and AI development. The financial industry. AI is transforming the financial industry by automating tasks, improving risk management, and providing personalized financial advice to consumers. Healthcare. AI is being used to improve patient outcomes, diagnose diseases, and streamline healthcare operations. Manufacturing. AI is being used to improve the efficiency of manufacturing processes, reduce waste, and increase the quality of products. Education. AI is being used to personalize the learning experience for students, improve teacher productivity, and automate administrative tasks. Transportation. AI is being used to improve traffic flow, reduce accidents, and make transportation more efficient and sustainable. Agriculture. AI is being used to improve crop yields, reduce waste, and make agriculture more sustainable. Retail. AI is being used to personalize the shopping experience for consumers, optimize supply chains, and automate tasks. Energy. AI is being used to optimize energy consumption, improve energy efficiency, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Government. AI is being used to improve government operations, provide better public services, and reduce fraud and corruption. Security. AI is being used to improve security, reduce crime, and protect critical infrastructure. Environment. AI is being used to monitor the environment, predict natural disasters, and address climate change. Space. AI is being used to explore space, improve satellite operations, and make space missions more efficient. Art and culture. AI is being used to create new forms of art, preserve cultural heritage, and improve the efficiency of museums and galleries. Sports. AI is being used to analyze player performance, improve coaching strategies, and provide more immersive viewing experiences for fans. In each of these areas, AI has the potential to bring about significant benefits, but it's also important to consider the potential ethical and social implications of the technology. As AI continues to evolve, it will be up to us to ensure that it's used in a responsible and beneficial manner.